for that, what do you mean by valuable? What do you mean by the word valuable? Please raise your hand if you yes, very good. So, valuable, it means that it is something that has worth or worthy, useful or valuable. Sometimes say valuable.
Yes.
So this is valuable intrapersonal skills. So can you read what is the intrapersonal skills?
Interpersonal skills are all about self-awareness and controlling your own internal attitudes and inner processes. It forms the foundation on which you build relationships with others. Your interpersonal communication skills and interpersonal skills are deeply connected.
So when we say intrapersonal skills, so these are the within the person. So just like the individual's feelings, thoughts, and behavior. So have you noticed that there is mention here is intrapersonal and interpersonal? So what do you think is the difference between the two?
Intra is outside.
Percent?
So, like yung extrovertness is about like thoughts or remote inside. So, pag ma-enter kay outside, ay, isa po kay yung ang enter kay when how you magamit din mo ang imong skills sa interpersonal kay na may interaction doon.
Okay, very good. So do you agree? So very good. So when we say, very good. So when we say intrapersonal skills, these are skills that help individuals understand, manage, and improve themselves, especially in ng decision-making skills. Makagama sila well-informed decisions and also maka-create po sila ng good communication, leadership, and collaboration. While ang interpersonal skills, just like Rosel said, so sagawas ko na siya. So this would involve the people how to interact with their peers. So interaction from the word inter. So nasabtan raw sa intrapersonal skills.
Yes.
So these intrapersonal skills are essential for developing, just like I said earlier, good communication, good leadership, and collaboration. So wala siyang essential sa mga tao either intra and inter. So wala siyang connected. And also I have an example of intrapersonal skills. So the BEd students managing their stress in the way of organizing their study schedule and making the visual aids. So what do you think are the specific skills that being developed? Example. Yes, very good. Flexible. Why is it flexible?
Flexible.
I want to answer.
So, ganito, di ba kayo manage sila sa lang stress while making the visual aids and demonstration. So, flexible siya kay bisan og kanang luya na kaayo like kana ganing stress na kaayo mas still naabadyapan kay courage na maghimo sa mga IMs and then magduot para sa imong demo.
Yes, so very good. So that education students, especially BEd, dapat flexible ka. So for example, another example is being flexible like mag-demo ta. So naatay PowerPoint presentation, di ba? Naatay visual aids. In case of kanang mo brown out, dapat kompleto atong visual aids. So mawag na yun ang ka-unit na itong BEd, di ba? So kusgan ta sa mga visual aids. And also, so intrapersonal skills also develop, achieve our goals effectively, especially like makagamit ang mga well-informed decision, like kaning na skill, o kaning na skill na kayo leadership, tayo good communication skills sa imuhang peers. So what is like valuable intrapersonal skills? So nasabtan ra?
Yes.
Okay, so some skills related to intrapersonal skills are, first is resourcefulness. So when we say resourcefulness, this is being also flexible. This is when we say resourceful, so resourceful ka, like, for example, sa as BEd student, resourceful ka kay in making visual aids. Yes, very good. So, okay,
For example, when we are going when we are making ayan. So, in order ta dili ta madakan og gasto, we can use also the mga calendar para magamit nato sa makalespot ka. Then we can also use the just like what Sir Warren said nga magamit ang atong lumot-lumot, atong ipatapulot ang isan, para po siya may attractive. So in that way, malasan nato ang mga gasto.
yes. So, do you agree with Kellen's answer?
Yes.
So, resourceful ba tang mga BEd?
Yes.
So, resourceful ta in the way of kuan ka na
Utilize this materials.
yes, so katong mga nagamit nato sa mga nauna natong demonstration, magamit pa nato sa next na demonstration. For example, kani, nagamit na ni nila ang nasi, nagamit na siya ron, pagtaklakan na. So, kasi maka-recycle ta, in that way, we can be resourceful, especially kay education ka. Then, nasabtan ra ang resourcefulness.
Yes.
Okay, so let us proceed to resilience. So, kaya yung resilience. Spelling siya. So, spelling sa resilience. So, when we say resilience is, these are the skills that we are flexible, especially kanang every challenges na we are dealing with na atay solution. Like, even though imo pa na siya i-cancel, still continue siya kay then you are flexible. Like, nakakailaing alternative way nga kana siya, pwede siya mapadayon bisan pag daghan siyang circumstances. So, who can give example or a situation where it shows being resilient? Who can give a situation where it shows individual being resilient? Can let. When you say resilient, situation or example that shows resilience or you are being resilient. Regine.
For example, kita ng BEd, even though itagaan ta ang mga daghan nga galampon, or demo pa, balik na ng demo day. Nga kuan, naman na resilient kay stress naman ta, pero nakaya na nato and bisan na-challenge na niya, pero nakaya na nato awa na sa different challenge.
Yes, so,
It's just like a bamboo tree, di ba? Even though nga maagi siya bamboo, like minanat siya, minanat na bamboo tree, pero after that day, she still nagtindog na Japan siya, even though natagon siya struggles niya na-encounter.
thank you, Kellen and Regine. So, mo ni answer na bahala mo kapag mapalit kag hangin masakay. So, in that way, flexible siya kung na even though stress na dili na tayo bahala na kay teachers man na so we are flexible. And then next is productivity. What do you mean by productivity? Productive. Other term, being energetic or complete.
Prepare our
So, as a teacher, you should be productivity. You are dedicated ka sa imo. Relate siya sa dedicated. Like, kuhan ka, as a teacher, dapat ka I need to kuhan. I need to assist. I need to be a dedicated person in order for that ang students ko is motivated po sila nga maka-learn. Diba?
So, very good, Kellen.
Also,
Kate?
when we say productive, paramihan sa atong balay is hanang wala kay galapon, di ba? So, murag ka nang sila naghigda, katulog. So, dili ka productive anang trabaho. In terms of productive, kinahanglan ta muliyok sa balay, like magama sa ato ang mga galapon nga dapat ipasa, dili magaling ka ng karon may pasa. So, at least nakay natulin. So, that is productive. At the end of the day, nakay nahimo, nakay nabuhat para mas worth it imong adlaw magigahin.
So very good, Shane and Kenlen. So when we say productivity, these skills shows that how you manage the time and task effectively. So this would involve time management. Like you are applying time management in terms of kanang magbuhat ka mga tasks. Like example, pwede nang magpa-alarm gamit ka kanina 8 to 9 mo gama ko sabi and 6 kanina 10 to 11 or 9 to 10, then 11. Pwede siya by hour, then line na subject. So, in that way is, we are applying the productivity. Also, this one, kita diri, flexible and kabalo na manage na sa atong time ng atong task. So, in that way is, makuha na to ang atong task na kuan ng dili siya late, dili ko siya kauna. So, sakto lang kay this one man, mas i-focus man yung sa mo siya pag-manage. So, nasabtan ra?
Yes.
So, let us proceed to the last one, which is vision. What is vision?
Goals.
Yes, vision is your goals, your plan in the future, and what you want to be. Like for example, me as a person, I want to graduate and then do business, and then after that I want to travel. And that's my vision. And of course, that vision needs ambition. I have to work first. I have to face the challenges before makapag na ako ang aking goal.
So, do you agree with Betsy?
Yes.
Very good. So, when you say vision, this is having or applying a clear sense of direction, just like she said na, dapat na kay direction, like, I want to go there. I want to go, na kung asa ka, dapat na kay patulungan. And also, in having the vision, you have the purpose. Kung sa may mong purpose na nagwato. And the vision will not be effective if you don't have the mission. Like, kung saan ka na kay goal, kung wala kay mission, wala kay goal. So, hindi siya effective. Like, you should have the vision and mission. Kaya ang vision, that's the goal, and the mission, wala yung action. Like, yung way, yung unique ways na maabot ka ng direction. So, wala na yung question sa vision. Wala mo ika-add? Thank you. So, let us proceed to, so by the way, those are the skills related to valuable and personal skills. So, let us proceed to personality development. So, this refers to the process by which development and organized thought and behavior patterns that make up a person's unique personality emerge over time. So when we say personality development, this is the continuous process of development by shaping and refining individuals' either emotion, behavior, or the overall character. Like yung mga overall character, ma-involve siya dito sa personality development. So, also, in personality development, this would involve makabalo ka sa self-awareness. You are aware of na sa imong kaugalingon. You know yourself better. So, also, this will involve how you regulate your emotions. Kung saan mo siya pag-control in terms of dealing consequences. Like, in that way, makakamatag ang well-informed decision. And also, sa personality development, dapat emotional intelligence ka. So, do you have that skill? No. Rare lang siya na yung mga tao na emotional intelligence. Kaya may iba na hindi sila makakontrol. Like mga mabaarag na nga, Freud?
Yes.
So what's the complete name? Complete name?
Simon Freud.
Very good. So who is Simon Freud? So Simon Freud is the father of modern psychology and the developer of psychoanalysis, and also one siya ng Austrian neurologist. So dapat siya. And also Madison Freud is dapat siyang contribution. So ang first theory niya is Freud's stages of psychosexual development. So can you read, Kenlen?
Dapat ang one.
Sexual development.
Freud stages of psychosexual development. This theory states that personality forms through childhood stages where the ideas, pleasure-seeking energies focus on specific body areas with early experiences shaping personality.
So thank you, Kenlen. So this theory focus on so what's a childhood stages. So kung stages is kung ano siya by stage siya. So what do you think are the 5 stages? Okay, who can recall the 5 stages of Freud psychosexual development? 5 din silang kabuo. Na siya sa childhood stages katong 5. Another.
Katong na ay pre-operational stage. Wala sa no ba to?
Pre-operational?
Katong na ay katong birth.
Another.
Katong oral stage oral.
Very good. First stage. So there are 5 months. So the first stage is oral stage. The first stage is kanang
Oral stage.
So what do you think more focus aning oral stage?
Katong saging.
Very good. So this is the first stage of psychosexual development. According to Freud, the pleasure or exploration focuses in the oral. So amount ang primary source of yung pleasure area ang exploration. So usa may mabuhat sa bata like ang mouth. Like sa
Sucking,
biting, chewing, then swallowing, then also natong pacifier dili. Pacifier use, then breastfeeding, especially kay child pa. So this afford zero to birth to 1-year-old ba ni siya? Mao ang focus niya kay ang mouth. So matong sucking, breastfeeding. So nasabtan ra ang say oral stage?
Yes.
So what do you think is the second stage?
Anal stage.
Very good. So anal stage also i-focus Okay, very good. So this is the anal stage is the second stage of psychosexual development according to Freud. So ang focus ani kay ang bata makabalo sa ng toilet toilet training like makakontrol sa iyang bowel, like ano siya sa paniban, unlike sa katong oral, like one pag-convert to 1. So, kani kay mahitabo siya during 1 to 3 years old. So, nanan may both, diba? So, makakontrol na siya gan sa siya manibang. So, and also, kani anal stage, makatabang ni siya, ang bata is more on maka-apply of cleanliness or dirtiness. Then also, kanang kuan na nang kabalo siya mo control. Ano sa siya mo? Pagbalibang or ana. So, anak retinary anal kuan ha. Like ato siya mo control kano sa siya ng mga bowel movements niya. So, muna yung ma-learn sa bata during the anal stage. Then let us proceed to the third stage. Unsa?
Phallic stage.
Phallic stage. So, unsa yung focus? Focus on the
Genital sex.
So, phallic stage is aware na siya sa iyang body niya or kanang genes, like nana siya him or nana siya understanding kung kana siya bahi dahil ko, yaki dahil ko. Or also sa peers, makabalo siya nga unsay differences sa male and female, like kabalo na siya sa then also And then makabalo na siya sa female and male. So nasabtan ra?
Yes.
Then let us proceed to fourth stage.
Pregnancy stage.
Latency stage. So latency stage, what do you think is the
Tapos na siya kuhaan pero siya mga naka-interact na siya. Kuhaan na lang siya.
So, very good. Nakabantay mo magkaitong iyang pagkakuhan. So, for example, is kanang sa, this is the fourth stage man according to Freud. So, maka-interact na siya with their peers. Like, kabalo na siyang communicate sa laing tao. Like, he can talk to na iyang classmates. And also, kung na po siya ikuan, kanang desire. Like, sa iyang mother and father, makikistorya siya. So, there's an interaction. Like, kabalo na siya. What do you think is the kuan na kalasan siya may tabo sa age?
6 to 12 years.
Very good. So, ang oral, birth to 1, ang anal, 1 to 3, ang phalanx, 3 to 6, yung kaning kuan, 8 years to 12. So, mas na-improve na siya na nagano siya ibuot na siya sa high school or ano ba iba na ulit, di ba? Elementary to high school. So, na siya ibuot. Like, ito maka-interact na siya with other people. And then, let us proceed to the last stage.
Genital stage.
Genital stage. So, the genital stage, basta yung focus sa ani. Sexual. Very good. Okay, so this happens during 12 years and like, tayo na siya sa adulthood. Like, mature na. So, kita na late. So, kita naman is makarelate na ta, more on ano siya. Ano siya understanding sa, like, ano siya, animal restraint, mga apply, like, kabalo na kaganang, like, sa mga kagay na, pwede na makakuyang, na ananin, and also, aware po siya sa same sex, and ganang, kabalo po siya sa isang partner's boundaries, na siya, kanang, when it comes to kanang relationship. So, na siya, na siya improvement by stage. So, wala na may question? Well, again, what are the 5 stages of Freud? Very good. So, let us proceed to Freud's structural model of personality. Kindly read Ellen. Freud's structural model of personality.
Freud's structural model of personality. This theory explains that human behavior is shaped by internal conflicts between unconscious desires, moral standards, and reality, which the mind balances to maintain stability.
So thank you, Helen. So Freud's structural model of personality. So this is more focused on human behavior. So naa siya 3 model of structural model of personality. What do you think? Ano ang tulog? Differentiate anong tulog? Sige. Kasi maka-differentiate. There you go.
So, it is your instincts and desire, which is your pleasure, what you're driven. Ego is the reality and balance between the desires and your morals. And ang superego is your moral values and conscience.
Oh, very good. So do you agree sa ilang difference? So when you say kanang it is mo na siya instinctual part of your personality. Like masunod sa inyong instinct, inyong desire. And dakuan, ang ego mo na siya kanang moral o logical niya. Like when it comes to reality and principle. And the third is kanang super ego is more moral values na siya. Like mas paano siya na siya gipalo nga rules or kanang iyahang principle. So who can give examples? Ego, super ego. At one example ra, inyo ra ego. Kuan, i-determine na lang ko. Sige ako sa iyo na. The BEd student tempted to plagiarize an assignment.
Ego.
Napatay.
Yes.
What do you think? Unsa to akong example? Akong gusto na. So, the BA student tempted to plagiarize an assignment. So, sa na siya? Ego, super ego. Who wants to help?
In pa siya kay instinct pa man nimo mag-plagiarize sa usa ka kuan, usa ka writing sa usa ka tawo ug ma-ego na which is imo na gibuhat na isulit mo ang kuan.
Okay, so very good, very low. Hit na to siya. Kay kuan man, instinct po man, like kanang mukhan pa siya tempted. So, mukha na siya sa instinct. Like, medyo kuan pa siya, wala pa siya go. So, nasabtan na lang ka to siya, hit.
Yes.
Okay, so, ang iyang ego, ang iyang student, i-approach siya sa instructor na seeking help to instructor para ma-improve iyang understanding anang topic. So, mo to siya, ego. And then the super ego there is kanang the peer or kanang classmate i-report ang gibuhat sa BL student. Kaya hindi pa siya maayo ba? So, na siya i-follow nga moral principle. So, nasabta na yun sa difference sa ato nga situation in Rico